Hi friends, in this video, we will look at the 10 most popular coding challenge websites, part 2. The first one is Exercism. Exercism is a coding challenge website that offers 3,100 plus challenges spanning 52 different programming languages. After picking a language that you'd like to master, it is a bit different from other challenge websites. However, because you work with a mentor after completing each challenge, the mentor reviews your answers online and helps you improve them if needed. Once your answers have been approved and submitted, you unlock more challenges. The next one is Code Wars. Code Wars provides a large collection of coding challenges submitted and edited by their own community. You can solve the challenges directly online in their editor in one of several languages. You can view a discussion for each challenge as well as useful solutions. The next one is LeetCode. LeetCode is a popular online judge that provides a list of 190 plus challenges that can help you prepare for technical job interviews. You can solve the challenges directly online in one of 9 programming languages. You are not able to view other users' solutions, but you are provided statistics for your own solutions, such as how fast your code ran when compared to other users' code. They also have a mock interview section that is specifically for job interview preparation. They host their own coding contests, and they have a section for articles to help you better understand certain problems. The next one is Spoj. Sphere Online Judge is an online judge that provides over 20,000 coding challenges. You are able to submit your code in an online editor. Spoj also hosts their own contests and has an area for users to discuss coding challenges. They do not currently provide any official solutions or editorials like some other websites do. The next one is Code and Game. Code and Game is a bit different from the other websites because instead of simply solving coding challenges in an editor, you actually take part in writing the code for games that you play directly online. The game comes with a problem description, test cases, and an editor where you can write your code in one of 20 plus programming languages. Although this website is different than typical competitive programming websites, such as the ones mentioned above, it is still popular amongst programmers who enjoy solving challenges and taking part in contests. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel.